Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them effectively. Today, we're diving into the topic: how to find an Apple AirTag on your car in 2025. If you've ever suspected someone might have placed an AirTag on your vehicle for tracking purposes, you're not alone. Apple AirTags are super handy for keeping tabs on your stuff, but they can raise privacy concerns when they're on your car without your knowledge. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, so you can handle it like a pro. First things first, what exactly is an AirTag? It's a small, coin-sized tracker from Apple that uses Bluetooth and the Find My network to locate items. In 2025, Apple has updated the Find My app with even better precision and faster alerts, making it easier to detect unknown AirTags. So, let's get started. Step 1. Grab your iPhone or any compatible Apple device and open the Find My app. This is your command center for all things tracking. Once you're in, head to the Items tab and look for any unfamiliar AirTags listed. If you see one, it might be the one on your car. Step 2. If the AirTag shows up, tap on it and select Play Sound. This will make the AirTag emit a loud chime, helping you pinpoint its location. Now, pop the hood of your car or check under the chassis, as these are common spots. Don't forget to look in the wheel wells, under the seats, or even in the trunk. Thieves or stalkers often hide them in discreet places. Step 3. If you're having trouble hearing it, use the Find feature in the app, which now includes augmented reality views in the 2025 update. This overlays a map on your camera to guide you directly to the device. Safety first, though, always be cautious and consider involving authorities if you think it's been placed maliciously. Once you've located the AirTag, you can disable it by removing the battery or using the app to mark it as found. Remember, if it's not yours, report it through the Find My app to Apple, as they can help investigate. By 2025, Apple has also added enhanced notifications, so your phone will alert you more quickly if an unknown AirTag is detected. This feature is a game changer for vehicle security. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to finding that sneaky AirTag on your car. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe and tech savvy until next time. Bye for now.